All right, welcome back. Till now, we have been running the Trivy commands to find out the vulnerabilities that are present in an image. Okay, we were getting to know the fine-tuned details of an image. We were getting what are the OS level vulnerability, what are the package level vulnerability that were present on image. But in reality, when you are sharing this report with the security team, you are not copying the console output and sharing with the team. They need something shareable, something readable. Okay, and that cannot be a console output, right? We need to share an artifact to the team. And in this video, we are going to generate an artifact of the Trivy report. And yeah, that's the main agenda of this video. So basically, we are going to refer the Aqua Security main report that they have generated. So we are going to perform the same. Here we will be sharing one artifact. It would be a wonderful report that we would be generating, not the console output, but an actual HTML report that you would be generating for the security team. All right, so let's get started. So right now you can see I am on the Aqua Security official GitHub account. Here you have to go to the Trivy. Okay, in the Trivy repository, you have to navigate to contrib section, and this is the exact section where you will find the html.tpl. Now this is the template that we are looking for. Okay. Now the thing is we have to download this template. So before you download, just click on raw so that you get the raw content over here. Copy the URL and go to the terminal. Now let me just run the command curl-o, and this will be html.tpl and followed by the link that we just copied. Click on enter. Now it downloaded that HTML template. Now if I want to read that HTML template, I'll just run cat, and you can see it is just in skeleton that is currently present, but it requires a data that needs to be input over here, right? So just imagine it as just like a variable. We just have a key. Now it's just waiting for a value. Okay. Now where do we generate the value from? Okay. So we are just going to run the same command. That is, let me clear the screen, and here I'll try Trivy image, and let's take Python 3.10 again, 3.10 hyphens line, and it will run the scan and will generate the report over the console. But this is not the agenda that we are looking for, right? This we have been looking from the starting itself. We want a representable output, okay? An HTML for a template that we downloaded. Okay, so let us rerun the same command, but here we are going to add few more options. Okay, let me clear the screen first so it would be visible for you. So clear, and let me just increase the font. Okay, hope now it is visible to you. And here we are going to make use of the same command, but we are going to add few more flags. Okay, now here we want to put this output to that template. So for that, I'll just write hyphen format, and the format would be based on the template that we are going to pass. So template. Now, how would Trivy know where the template is present? Right now, we downloaded it in the current source, right? So let me just write the template source. So template path is template here, and since it is present in the current root location, I'll just write the name of the template, that is html.tpl. Make sure you're writing the spelling correct. If you are missing any of the spellings, it will create an issue. Okay, and then what would be the name of the report that you would like to tell? Okay, so here it would be trivy.html. You can just rename it as per your use. Let me break down the command that we used. See, Trivy image followed by the image remains constant. There are three flags that we are using right now. First is hyphen format. Now here we are specifying Trivy that we are going to make use of a template, and where that template is stored. So basically here we are passing the path of the template. Now since it is stored in the current location, you don't have to worry about it. So we just pass the name of the template that we want to use, and what should be the name of the file. So that would be a trivy.html. Now once everything is done, just click on enter. It will run the scan. It will store the output into the Trivy file, and then we are good. See, the Trivy scan is completed. Now if I do long list, you can see trivy.html file is present over here. And now let me show you the wonderful report that we have generated in Trivy. So let me open the trivy.html file, open trivy.html, and here you can see the wonderful report that I was talking about is present over here. So whatever we were generating over the console is now live in front of us. You can see it has multiple colors, like low is indicated in green, meaning you don't have to worry about it, right? Medium is again given a color. There must be a color for critical also. It is usually red in color. You can see links are also present. It is pretty much readable, and we can literally share it with the team. Also, one more thing that it's generating is like when this Trivy report was generated, all the timestamp is generated over here. I hope you learned a lot in this video where we can share this artifact with the security team, right? In this video, we learned how you can generate a Trivy report and share it with the world. But is this the stop of this series? No. Next video is definitely going to be very much special because we are not going to do the manual stuff again and again. So yeah, that was all for this video and keep learning. Thank you very much and I will see you in the next one.